At within 8 being the latest that it could go.
The biggest variable is that Brandon actually came into the score. Hindi, of course, the assumption na madaling matatapos yung laban nito is the fact na meron brawl. Oo, hindi ginawa ni Rio. So now, we're watching a different kind of fight. But Manny will take it every day.
Dito pa serious, hindi pa masyadong effort, pero hindi naman sa nakakabigay ng effort.
So as you said, it's really so valuable about the power punches of Manny.
Brandon Rios pushing his way around. Rodriguez giving him another warning. Still no deduction.
Again, it's one of the things that we did expect. A little fight ugly, and that's exactly what he's trying to do.
Managed to move some more now.
Kasi Manny knows hindi siya makapasok sa bigla. Kasi talaga medyo naghihintay lang siya, naghahanap ng mga pagkakataon.
Here's more connections from Manny. That's a right hand. Hinahanap natin yung left straight ni Manny Pacquiao. What about a kick to the side of the body with a right and then a left to the face? Yun ang combination na hinahanap natin from Manny Pacquiao. I think Manny's dead serious now. Rios got in, a shot that time. I think lesson learned from Manny Pacquiao dun sa laban against Marquez. He was looking for a knockout and then he got careless. Dito sa laban na to, he's not necessarily looking for a knockout. Basta pinutugtog lang niya ang kanyang kalaban.
But left straight lead, if that hits Rio at the right moment, will give him a problem, clearly.
Yeah, I think that's the shot. That left. He needs to be able to set it up with a nice right hand. Maybe a shot to the side of the body. Yeah. Katawan, then go up, then down again. Especially in the midsection.
Left jab connected by Rios. One of the few ones that he's hit Manny with.
Of course, we'll beat it.
The eyes are red, the cheeks are puffy, the eyelid is open.